Nischal is busy in another call. Just to share what we've been doing. Let me share my screen. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
You can see the screen, right? Hello.
Yes, Sandeep.
Okay.
Yes.
So basically, we have created a board. So the idea was to, since we are going to follow a community collaboration model, right? We need a way to showcase or uh, collect all the things that are happening throughout the, at least for the start, the website, and eventually everything that in Shardeum, through a single place. And me and Devansh, we researched on a lot of other such open source projects, and we found that okay, this GitHub projects board can be a good point where we can, to as a start to collect all the information and put it on the board, and also update their statuses as to what is happening and at which state every task, so that the community can drop in and see what is the progress. And we are also in a way accountable to the public, to the community, with our progress, right? And the idea is that anybody who is interested in building along with the along with us, they can at any point start going through these tasks, these tickets. And if they feel they can add some value in it, they can definitely reach out to us, and we can help them in onboarding with any task that they want to do. And that will be a good way to collaborate with community. So with that thing in mind, we have created this board. It's a standard board from GitHub projects, and it has a few lanes like the to do, in progress, review, ready, done. Right now, this is only specific to the website, but eventually it will there will be multiple boards created, and with specific to every project. Overall, also we will try to have a quarterly plan added in this kind of format, where everybody can go and see what the progress of the project is. Um, right now, with the website, with context of the website, the information architecture is ready, and it is also been reviewed, and it is also ready now. And the design, the next step that we are doing is the theming. Uh, Sanket, who is working on the design, he has uh, created a few versions of the designs, initial versions. They are in internal review right now. Once the internal review is done, if there is any changes, the idea is that we will have multiple options in terms of theme, uh, and maybe 3 or 4 options, and then we will release it to the community, and the community can do a poll. We can do a poll with the community as to which design they like, which design everyone likes, and whichever is the winning design will be picked up, and then we'll start implementing the tech side of it, which includes the setting up of the design system. And then parallelly, the lo-fi and the hi-fi designs will also be created, and further task for implementing that website will be added here, and it will also be tracked on this board itself. Parallelly, content, once the designs are finalized, the content team will review the content that needs to be added there, along with the project management aspect of the entire Shardeum project, right? That is what we are trying to crack here. And yeah, I mean, if any more suggestions you guys have, then we are all welcome to all the open to all the suggestions. And yeah, that's the update from the last week from my end. Balaji, you want to go ahead?
Thanks, Anvay. I think you pretty much covered it regarding the website revamp aspect. So last week we have done with the information architecture, and we also synced up with the marketing team for it, so that we're on the same page. And we'll continue to work with them for the content and SEO aspect. And as a next step, we have been working on the theme, on finalizing a theme of the website. So Sanket here has come up with 3 options, which we'll share shortly across community once internal level is done. And once the theme is finalized, we'll move on to the lo-fi and hi-fi designs. Yeah, I think that's it. That's update. Sanket, you want to add anything?
Nothing from my end. I'm just stoked to be a part of this community and yeah, excited.
All right. Yeah, I think yeah, that was the update from the last week. Unless anybody else has any update, we can end this call. Devansh, you have anything?
Update. Yeah, so update not from my end, but yeah, a good initiative which was taken this week was the Shardeum contributor registration has been opened. So there is a form which is shared in the group, in the tech updates group. You all can forward it to the people who might be interested. And this is like a one single stop shop, or we are creating a database of the people who are actually interested. And rather than having a kind of decentralized conversation in pods of our own, it is better to have the whole community come on the whole on the single data sheet, that how you can contribute. So do the people who are joining just now, please do fill that up, and also to the people who might be interested, just forward it to them, so that will be a great help. And last week we had asked for people who are into product management or open source project management to get in touch with us. So I got messages from 2 3 people, Subhashish being one. So don't worry, like we'll get in touch with you all in this week, and we will just discuss about what kind of roles and the scope of the involvement will be. So yeah, that is the only update from my end. But yeah, definitely this Shardium contributor registration, this should be, I mean, pinned in the group, and this is like really helpful, whoever took it. So thanks. Yeah, I mean, that's it from my end, Hamza.
Awesome. All right. Cool. I think we are done from our side. We will have one more marketing update call in around 15 minutes. Whoever is interested, they can join in the other call and listen in. Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.
Marketing update not in 15 minutes, in another 1 hour.